Let's look at the cold, systemic reality of how modern banking actually works. Imagine overdrafting just $4 for a forgotten coffee subscription. The bank? They don't care.
Boom, a $35 fee. Suddenly your rent bounces and you're trapped in spiraling debt.
The harsh reality? The penalty for being broke is getting more broke. The system's working perfectly. Even when you fight back to $200, you just enter the invisible era.
They charge you monthly fees just to hold your money, offering only high-interest, secure debt.
You're just a risk score with shoes. You exist on their books, but not in their attention.
But cross $2,000? Things untangle. Welcome to the profitable era, where maintenance fees magically vanish.
Hit $15,000 and you actually get a direct line to a dedicated relationship banker.
The price of money gets cheaper. Reversing a fee now? It takes one simple email.
You realize the bank wasn't being malicious before. Indifference at scale just looks exactly like cruelty.
At $80,000, you're a preferred client. You completely skip the rope line and get an office.
$500,000? Now wealth managers literally drive to your office to consult with you.
Money is no longer the conversation. It's just the table. They're fiercely competing to protect you. Okay, hit $5 million, and you officially enter the partner era of banking.
Rules aren't followed here. They're negotiated. Interest rates are drafted specifically for your exact timeline.
And at $25 million, the climax hits. The entire banking world flips completely upside down.
You don't apply for investments, they apply for you. You're now actively shaping the institution.
It's wild. These two extreme realities exist seamlessly within the exact same unbroken system.
You are the exact same person. They just judge you by the number next to your name. So I leave you with this. Which version of you is the bank talking to today?